For this video, I am going to teach you how you can use calculator on iOS 18, or specifically how you can use the math notes. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure first that your phone is updated to iOS 18. So just go to your settings, head over to general section and tap onto the software update. And again, just check if your phone is updated to iOS 18. If not, you just need to download it into your phone. So now once you have done that, just open your calculator on your app. So right here, what you need to do, so for example, I'm going with the basic before that. So once you are in the basic calculator of your phone, then you should be able to see this calculator icon situated on the lower left corner of your screen, and you'll have this option. So what you'll need to do next is to select math notes right there, and then this interface will appear. And now, once you are in here, if you wanted to create a new note, what you need to do is to tap onto this note icon right here. And then what you can do here is to simply type in the the numbers that you want to solve. So for example, I'm going with 57 divided by 8. So it will give you an automatic answer, or it will automatically give you the answer for that. And you can also modify what you have there. So for example, I'm going to add parentheses for the both sides, and then it will modify that, or I'm just going to add an additional number, so 7. And you can do basically anything right here, or any calculations that you want to do. So you just need to explore the options that you have and explore the functions of the math notes. So that's basically it. That is how you can use it in your iPhone with an iOS 18. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.